Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, you know it is Wednesday, so what does that mean? We are having one of one of Uthando Nesthembu episodes being aired tonight, and obviously there has been a trailer that has been released, you guys. Aibo, now remember they did show part of today's trailer. They did show it on the last episode, last week, as upcoming for next week, if you get what I'm saying. But anyway, one of the things we're going to see in tonight's episode, you guys, is that, remember Umusa? I did speak about, did a video something about something like this. Umusa goes to Umatsele and says to Umatsele, listen, unumber 5 sekafikile nginaye manje she's in the cobbing alumletha. And then Umatsele is like, bring her in her diary session. Guess what Umatsele says, guys? She's like, abeze kumina bese ngibatshela indaba zabo. I'm like, hi, but now I finally get ukuthi when Umayeni asked the question ukuthi Umatsele uma wakho yini, because the way she said that ukuthi yingane zakhe, as if it was uNwandle bringing in a girlfriend, and she was saying ukuthi abeze kimi ngibatshele indaba zabo. Ubatshele indaba zabo kanjani? These are not your children. This is your husband, number one, and a woman that your husband is choosing to take. So what ndabas are you telling them? Yeah, I might say, like, please calm down a little bit. But anyway, guys, one thing I must say, guys, Umakhwela, Usamke, that girl's beautiful, guys. She is beautiful, guys, because in tonight's episode, sizombona kahle, and she's not even wearing makeup, guys. She is not wearing makeup. She doesn't have false eyelashes on. The girl is beautiful. She comes in here, guys, and you can see ukuthi she's dressed decently, at least amabela valekile. But my question is, why is Umatsele's face? Umatsele looks so irritated, ingathi like she's ingathi bayamdina nje. And I'm like, okay, so where does the part of ukuthi uyamthanda, umjabulele, you can't wait for her, umthanda njengemali, where does that part come in? Because I'm just like, you don't know the girl. Why are you seeming so irritated and angry at the girl? Whereas later on we are seeing where Umatsele says ukuthi she likes the girl. Now some of us have been saying ukuthi maybe Umatsele only likes number 5 because she feels like number 5 is a tool she can use to kind of hurt the other ladies, because the other ladies don't want number 5. Because I'm just thinking, okay, now the first meeting, it looks like she doesn't like number 5. She's irritated at number 5. But then we know ukuthi as episodes progress, she likes number 5. So does that mean which number 5 did things, or she served Umatsele to get her to like her? And if that's the case, then what's the difference between Uthobile and wife number 5? Because yes, Uthobile served Umatsele and did everything, but Umatsele still adamfun. Do you understand what I'm saying? But anyway, Ukeli Umakhwela, we see her saying in a diary session with yay, inhliziyo iphuma ngomlomo. Vele girl, wena usatha isibindi. Hayibo, if Sibindi was a person, if Sibindi is a person actually, guys, umphumelelo. But anyway, she has a diary session, guys, on her own. And for me, I'm just like, you see, once someone has a diary slot session for themselves, they are a certified member for the rest of member of the show for the rest of the season. But girl is pretty shame, jealous down, girl muhle. Maybe that's why abo Makhuma ngazela. And someone said this, guys, and I believe this, uthi maybe Umakhumalo. Remember Umakhumalo, guys? She normally knew Ulokhuzana, Umusa's girlfriend, right? Maybe this girl, she doesn't know her, and the reason maybe she didn't have a problem, the Khumalo did not have a problem with Umangwabe coming in, because she knew Umangwabe was a friend. Now Makhwela, it looks like Khumalo doesn't know her in it looks like Umusa was like, listen, Nkatele, like, let me go fish for myself, and like, you know, and maybe that's the problem that Khumalo has, that this girl, Agamazi, she doesn't have any influence on this girl, because this girl is not her friend. But listen, Makhwela does seem humble, guys. Or maybe I'm speaking too soon. Well, let's just wait and see for tonight's episode. But listen, tonight's episode, I am there for Umatsele's reaction to see ukuthi uzothini melabona ugeli young kangaka for the first time. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.